Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Wi-Fi network on Asus ZenWiFi XT9, and also in the end of this video how to use basic features of Asus Router applications. Let's get into it right now. First of all, you need to make sure that your device is powered on and this indicator is glowing solid blue. Then you need to connect the router to your internet source. In most cases, this is your modem, or sometimes this is just a LAN socket in the wall. So, of course, what you need is take an Ethernet cable. This one was in the box, by the way, and plug in one end of this cable to the blue labeled port, like now, and the other end of this cable plug into LAN output on your modem or LAN socket in the wall. Next, you need Asus Router application in your smartphone. This is the easiest way to set up this device, so download it from your respective application store and let's open it. On the first screen, you need to scroll all the way down, then check this small checkbox, hit agree, and agree this privacy notice as well. Now it's welcome screen. Allow Asus Router to find devices on local networks. This is necessary to set up your router, so hit allow here, and also allow Asus Router to use your location while using app. Then hit setup and select Asus ZenWiFi series and find your XT9 device. Where is it? XT9. It's black, but in the application it's white, doesn't matter. And now you have two options. You can manually connect your smartphone to Asus setup network or enable camera and scan QR codes on the bottom of the device. So let's do like this. It's always better. So allow this and scan QR code. Just place QR code in this yellow square. And once you see this pop up, hit join. Well, it's taken about 20 seconds, so once you see your device on the screen, just get started. And make sure you're connected to your internet source. Make sure this cable is strongly plugged in to the socket, and make sure that the same is on the other end. Then, of course, hit next. Set up your node. Place your ZenWiFi router and once again read this, and also if you have more than one unit, power them on in the same room for the first time. Then you can place the secondary units somewhere in Wi-Fi dead zone. So once you've done it, just hit next. If you see this screen, don't worry and just hit retry, and it's trying to detect your internet connection status. Next, if you have some special requirements from your ISP, you need to toggle on the switcher and select the special requirement. You need to clarify this in phone call to your internet provider. But if you don't have any special requirements, just hit next over here. And finally, let's name your Wi-Fi network. In this example, I will name it Asus Net. You can give any name to your network and give any password, but I recommend you to create a stronger password than this one. Then hit done, and now set up local login account. This is like administrator password to manage your device from web interface or other smartphone. So let's name it admin so far and create password. I also hope you will create stronger password than this one. Then hit done and next. This is a warning about weak password, but it's okay for this example. Let's hit yes, and it's setting up your network. Actually, once you see this Azure signal, your network is set up already, but let's wait for the application. So if you see the screen, new firmware available, just hit update and wait. Well, this time it's taken about 2 minutes, and now the application wants you to join your new created network. So hit this button. And it's optimizing your network, whatever it means. So here is your summary: Wi-Fi network name, password, admin username and password. So you need to just hit finish over here, and you can enable or disable notifications. I prefer to cancel. And also you can enable remote connection if you have Asus account. So to create Asus account, if you don't have one, you need to hit here. Don't allow notifications. You need to hit here on this 3 bars menu and hit login. It's very easy because it supports Google, Facebook, and Apple login. So you can hit Google or Facebook, continue, and select your account. Just log in. And accept account binding, and then you can use all features of Asus Router application, including cloud services, backups, and so on. It's free, and actually, why not? Well, finally, it takes you to the home screen of the application, and the basic features of this application are first, your network configuration. You can see you're connected to the internet and you have just only one device in your network. If you have more than one device, you will see some sticks and other devices connected to your basic unit. So if you have 2 or more devices, after first setup, if they are all powered on, you can disconnect them and connect somewhere to Wi-Fi dead zone. You don't need even to have the second internet cable. Next, you can tap on this Wi-Fi icon over here and then tap in the middle of the screen and change your wireless settings, including Wi-Fi network name and password. Tapping on this tab, you can see devices connected to your network, block and unblock users. And also, if you need more settings, tap on this icon and a lot of them over here. So this application is pretty functional and powerful. Explore it, enjoy the functions. It's very good, even for unexperienced users. But this is not a topic of this video. Your system is up and running now, and I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.